take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera, the 996 generation. 123,560 miles on this one. Black with matte black vinyl RS markings. Powered by a 3.4 liter, 300 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque engine. 6-speed manual gearbox, rear-wheel drive, of course. And as you can see up here, sport chin spoiler lip. Now, it's been refreshed on this car. It does have a low temp thermostat mod. Intake muffler delete. Lightweight clutch. Yes, the IMS bearing has been replaced. LN IMS bearing was used. TUV sports exhaust. And that is lightweight with no drone to it, by the way. Wevo engine mounts, as well as new tranny mounts for improved shifting and handling. If you want to check out the still pictures of this car, see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Paint on it. It shows well. It is black. It's going to have some imperfections here or there where you can see a touch up or some light scratches. But as you can see, it also has a nice shine to it. Got those flat black or matte black vinyl RS markings. Now, as far as some suspension components that were done in this car, it does have KW coilover suspension. The wheels on it are 8.5 in the front, 10 in the rear. Bars width, 997 wheels, as you can see, with the Bridgestone Potenzas on there. The wheel center caps are included also, were just removed for autocrossing. Now take a look at this interior a second too. I want to show you these seats. It does have the Sparco Evo racing seats with GT3 tracks, and we're going to get around to the driver's side, start this up also. Back to those wheels, does have Renline racing wheel studs. Alignment and corner balance has been done also. As you come back to the rear here, see there's some rear racing gills that have been cut into the low pressure area of the rear bumper. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Back to that interior, we're going to see in a little bit when we open it up here and start it up. Like I said, I mentioned the Sparco Evo seats. It also has this Porsche GT3 center console dash trim, so it has a pedestal delete to it in that center console. You'll see what I'm saying when we get in there. Alpine Bluetooth receiver with hands-free has been installed with an Alpine amp, as well as new speakers. And stereo system does work. Take a look at the paint up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see it's got a nice shine to it. Yes, are there a few imperfections here and there with the black? But it does show well. It'll be a fun one to take out cornering, no doubt about that. Have a little fun driving this one, a little aggressive. Spoiler in the rear does work. There's a manual switch down kind of by your left foot when you're sitting in the seat. And I believe these would also go due to the speed you're at as far as adjustments. All right, take a look at the interior. Door panels, nice shape. See power mirrors. Sparco seats in nice shape. Power moonroof in this one, and that does work. I have pictures of it with it up. You'll be able to see in the still pictures. You can go check those out. Let's get in here a second. Go ahead and start it up. We'll check out the exact miles, let you hear it run. Take a look at the engine bay. All right. Now this light, I don't know if you can tell the symbol on that or not, but that is telling you that the rear spoiler is working. And I'll probably put that up here so you can see it with it up too. Make sure we're in neutral. There's the miles on it, 123,560. See if I can reach that spoiler switch a second. Automatic climate control. AC does blow cold. There is that Alpine stereo system. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Also in nice shape. Open that sunroof so you can see it toward the minute. Alright. Would have power windows. They're on the center console here. When I mentioned that pedestal delete, you can see up here, definitely different than you would have in the other 996 Gen. Alright. Let's slide this all the way open a second so you can see it. Alright, slip out of this. Now in the still pictures, you're going to see the actual sunroof vented up. I just slid it back so you can see that it is in working order. Take a look back here. I also raised up that wing by the switch, which was just down to the left. If you're not familiar with these, it's right now where your left foot would be right here. And again, I do believe those also adjust depending on speed. All right. Here it runs smooth. And again, that'd be the 3.4 liter, 300 horse engine, 258 pound-feet of torque. And one of the big ones, I know we're going to get questions about, so I will mention it again. IMS bearing has been replaced with an L end. If you want to check it out. All right, I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's pop it so you can see the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here you go. Nice and tidy engine bay on this one too. Look at how clean this is. And remember, the things that have been refreshed on it, that low temp thermostat mod, intake muffler delete, lightweight clutch, mentioned the IMS bearing a couple times, TUV sports exhaust. Again, it's lightweight with no drone. Wevo engine mounts, new tranny mounts for improved shifting and handling. This would be a fun one to take out and try, folks. 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.